let's move on to the next phase of our task. All right, so let's begin by working on the text layout. Okay, we want to work on these aspects, and then this is not, the image is not going to give us much issues at all. So let's begin by page, see what that looks like while that is loading. I'll go back to my HTML page, then okay, so this is my text section. All right, so what I need to do is just break this downwards. All right, so the reason why I'm leaving this space is because I'm going to content in here. So you don't want to leave spaces like this when you have a very little content displaying in a div. So you put your divs side by side if you have just a single statement, or you are using a h1 tag, heading tags, and the like. Okay, all right, so let's move on. All right, so we have a text from here. Let's zoom this a little. All right, so whatever the text is here, I just want to use something in plain English, so I'm going to use this as olive oil, all right, or coconut oil, best coconut oil for 2022. All right, so let's go. So first thing you want to do is I think there's a little bit of text, sorry, let me check. Yes, there's a text, but I'm going to use this, I'm going to save this with premium. Okay, so first thing we want to do is to create the faded text. All right, that text is a bit small, so let's use H3. Okay, so I'll save that text with premium. All right, so the next we want to do is add the text. All right, so h1 tag. Okay, so h1. There are other ways of doing this, but I'm just going to introduce it to the tags you need to begin with for now. So I'm going to use h1, then okay, so essential. Let's copy this. Okay, so one of my students had to use the BR tag, so let's introduce the BR tag here. Let's introduce the BR tag. So essential, I'm going to break this down. Sorry. I'm going to break this down to the next line. Okay, so then you want to use your BR tag here. Sorry. Okay. Then you also want to do the same again. Break to the next line. So let's see what this looks like on our screen. Let's save it and review. Okay, making sense. All right, so let's move on.